Hello students, this is Miss Mishu and this is your Chapter 19 practice test. Please get a sheet of paper and write your name on it. Write Chapter 19 test at the top and number it from 1 to 10. At any point throughout this video, if you need extra time, just hit the pause button. Work at your own pace. Okay, here we go. Question number 1. What is the term for the study of how people produce, distribute, and consume goods and services? Is it A, logistics, B, free enterprise, C, consumption, or is it D, economics? Please place your answer next to number 1. Number 2, people who buy and use goods and services are called A, capitalists, B, producers, C, consumers, or is it D, commodities? Please place your answer next to number 2. Remember, if you need more time, hit the pause button. Number 3. What is the term for the rise in the price of goods and services that result in a decrease in the purchasing power of money? Is it A, globalization, B, consumer fraud, C, inflation, or is it D, deflation? Please place your answer next to number 3. Number 4, one factor that makes prices go up and down is A, recession, B, economics, C, the gross domestic product, or is it D, supply and demand? Please place your answer next to number 4. Number 5, an example of consumer fraud is A, taking advantage of discount stores, B, timing purchases, C, misleading price notifications, or is it D, searching for a good consumer deal? Please place your answer next to number 5. Number 6, producers and consumers, A, are not affected by inflation, B, can be geographically far apart, C, must do business in the same place, or is it D, do not need to market their products? Please place your answer next to number 6. Number 7, when unemployment is low, A, a lower standard of living can result, B, it is a sign that the economy is not doing well, C, personal difficulties for families can be more common, or is it D, fewer people are looking for work? Please place your answer next to number 7. Number 8, the government agency that enforces rules about labeling and advertising is the A, Consumer Product Safety Commission, B, Food and Drug Administration, C, Federal Trade Commission, or is it D, the Better Business Bureau? Please place your answer next to number 8. All right, almost there, 2 more to go. Number 9, the production costs in competition? A. Apply to goods but not to services. B. Are two common types of consumer fraud. C. Help make up a country's gross domestic product. Or is it D. Are factors that cause prices to go up and down? Please place your answer next to number 9. And here we go. Number 10, the last one. An example of a producer of a service is A. Pet sitter. B. T-shirt maker. C. Farmer. Or is it D. A worker in an automobile factory? Please place your answer next to number 10 and hand your paper in to Ms. Mishu. If you have any questions, please come see me. Thank you and have a great day.